Alright, so we're out here. We have this old microwave, it don't work. Well, the heating thing don't work. The rest of it does work, but the heating thing don't work. And the heat here. So, I'm gonna put it through some of the roughest things I can think of. And then, we're gonna see if it still turns on. Alright, so, we have a primitive weapon out here. So we're just gonna like, it's a nice little dent. Okay, bent the top a little bit. I just like okay. I've put like some dents in it a little bit. It's a little falling apart, honestly, but it should still be fine. We'll jump on this side. What is this thing? Heck. I'm sure you could probably like sell that for money or something. Garbage. That's what this is. Ooh. Thing's a lot heavy. Thing's kind of heavy, honestly. Yeah, this thing is not surviving much longer. Alright, so the drill's dead, so we're just gonna have to use this thing and try and drill a hole. See what the inside of a microwave is made of. Alright. Microwaves are a lot tougher than you think. That ain't happening. Nothing is ever broke. You just don't have enough duct tape on it. That, you can carry that with you in your life travel. Nothing will ever be broke. You just don't have enough duct tape. See, these are things you have to look out when you're working with trees. Look out for. They'll take everything you got. They don't care. They're trees. That's why we have to take them out before they take us out. I don't have enough weight on that. Once again, duct tape. I'm not sponsored by them yet, but I will be. Mark my words. Alright, what you're looking at is a microwave 20 feet off the ground. And I'm not going to get under it because that's unsafe. And safety is third around here. Fun is first and awesomeness is second. So, it's going to drop in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so my cord or my ropes are still up there. The microwave is still in one piece, technically. And, yeah, I don't know. I'm probably just gonna throw it up against that fence post, and then we'll go plug it in. Alright, just throw it up against the fence post. Alright, so I'm gonna take it back down and we'll get back there so we can plug it in. Alright, so we're in the barn. There's the tractor. I know everybody loves the tractor. It's all put back together now. I had from here to here taken off. That's a good chunk of the tractor. Yeah, it normally starts. So, this ain't shifty at all. Come on. The plug is bent. I'm unbending that. Okay. Yes. Yes. Ha ha. It's plugged in. Ooh, screwdriver. I don't know how I told you if the light was gonna come on. Oh, that's garbage in here. Ah! No, I'm just kidding. Ah! No. Okay, it did not work. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Ah! Yeah. Thanks for watching. And, we'll see you in the next one. Okay, that ain't good.